Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a flat stretch of dash that won't block airbags or your view. This matters for safety and adhesion. Once picked, clean the surface with 70% isopropyl. Wipe firmly, then let it air dry for 2 to 3 minutes so oils evaporate. Next, test fit the device or pad without removing backing to confirm angle and reach. This avoids bad placement. Make sure the spot stays accessible while driving, and proceed only when the fit looks. You warm the adhesive or mounting pad with your hands for 10 to 20 seconds to boost tack. Heat lets the glue flow into microscopic pores for better grip. Once warm, peel the backing slowly and place the center down first, then press outward toward the edges. Apply steady, even palm pressure for about 30 seconds to force contact. Don't slide the mount, or you'll trap air. Make sure seams are sealed and the mount feels secure before you release your hold. You finish by letting the bond set. Wait 1 to 2 hours before heavy use, and recognize some adhesives reach full strength in 24 hours. Once set, test by gently tugging and simulating bumps. Make sure the mount stays put. If the mount lifts, clean both surfaces again and reapply or switch to a stronger automotive-grade adhesive or 3M double-sided tape. This solves most failures. If problems persist, move to a different flat area away from direct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.